Sabado ngayon mga bisdak, galing kami ng taekwondo at swimming ni Jan. At kanina pa habang naglalakad kami doon sa labas, kanina ko pa iniisip and hindi ko alam kung ano yung mafe-feel ko ngayon kasi sobrang mixed emotion mga bisdak. Sobrang happy ko mga bisdak at very excited na finally ito na yung moment na pinapangarap ko lang dati na darating kaya yung moment or yung time na maisakay ko or makabili kami ng bagong sasakyan at may sakay ko yung family ko no, na sa isang brand new mas safe at syempre mas mabango na sasakyan kasi bago siya, di ba? So yun, ito na yung moment na to mga bisdak. Sobrang happy na kasi 5 sasakyan mga bisdak, 5 mumurahing sasakyan yung dumaan sa amin. So first na sasakyan nabili ko sa $900, yung second nabili ko sa $600, yung third yung kaibigan ko ibibenta sana niya sa akin tapos sinauli ko kasi yung sasakyan niya nasira kaya sinauli ko na lang sa kanya. Tapos yung pang-apat yung puti na Magna nabili ko for $1,000, tapos yung pang-5 ito yung blue na Magna nabili ko sa $800. So mga ganun na quality lang yung mga bisdak ba yung ginamit namin kasi syempre student visa, limited yung pera namin. So ngayon dumating na yung time na syempre afford na namin or meron na kaming capability no na makakuha ng brand new na sasakyan para mas safe sa amin, especially na lagi kaming naglo-long drive, lagi kaming nasa labas kasi nagba-vlog, namamasyal at kung ano pa. So very happy kami mga bisdak no. So yung kapitbahay namin, nakiusap ako na ihatid kami dun sa dealership para i-pick up yung sasakyan. So samahan nyo kami ngayon mga kabisdak.
Bisdak, si manood na tayo sa TV. Magsama-sama tayo, Bisdak,
Are you excited? We'll get our new car.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what color? What is the color of the new car? No, it's white. Hello. Okay, let's go. Ron, thank you ha. So yung kabisdak na, andito na kami sa dealership ng kabisdak. So ito na yun ang kabisdak no. So pupunta pa kami sa office para mag-sign ng mga documents at magbayad din. Deb, congrats. Grabe yung mga grabe, nakakaano. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ma-feel ko mga grabe. Oh, Jian, you like our new car? Finally! Because we need to go to the office. So, kailangan pa namin pumunta sa office mga kabisdak, no? Para magbayad doon, mag-sign ng documents at kung ano-ano pa. Yun, whew, grabe.
But you don't know how to use it.
No, I know. Daddy is the best driver of all.
But it's gonna be different.
See? Gusto ko kasi ang laki ng gulong ba? Dako ba yung gulong bit? Yung clearance ba? Ang clearance from the ground is mataas ang clearance. Tapos ano pala mga bisdak, pinalagyan na namin to ng pinalagyan ko na to ng dashcam. Ito, front and back and sensor to siya mga bisdak, you know? So yan, mayroong dashcam. Ibig sabihin ng sensor kahit naka-park yung sakyan, naka-off yung makina, mayroong mag-ano siya, automatic mag-record. And then sa likod din mayroong tong dashcam. Ayun pala. Mayroong dashcam. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Cool ba kayo ba na mag-garas ba? No, ka nasa protection ba no? Pinadagdag na namin ito mga bisdak, ito yung protection niya. Meron yung pinadagdag dito. Ito mga ibang model ng sasakyan mga bisdak. Ninduta po na new sports car. Gian, when you got a lot of money, you buy this car, okay? I think you look good on this one. Driving. No, it's for Gian. See? That's for Gian. Yun is Forester. Forester man siguro ni yung isa. Na? Forester siya. Tingin-tingin muna tayo na sasakyan sa ibang sasakyan model dito mga kabisdak kasi yung kausap namin mayroon pang ibang customer client. So habang hinintay natin, window shopping. Ano man ang model? Ano yung model na yan? Grabe dito eh. Forester. Bulky no? Isa sana to sa gusto namin kunin mga kabisdak no, itong Forester, pero masyado siyang malaki para sa amin. Kasi yung isa sa reason din but medyo maliit na SUV yung gusto namin kasi si Ami para makapag-drive siya. You know, ito Forester. Katapad no, Forester. Kini sports car. Ano sa may model ani? Ano kaya model to? Grabe mga uzal, ang ganda. Masyadong malaki yung Forester para sa aming daily activity mga kabisdak no. Kasi yan yung Forester. Yan ba Forester? Dako ra siya bib. No? Oh, ito Forester. Kasi yung isa sa factor mga kabisdak na kino-consider namin pag ito yung kukunin namin, Forester, masyado siyang malaki kasi yung gamit niya pang grocery, pick up kajiyan, and then napaka-traffic dito sa Sydney, no? And then yun nga, pag si Ami magda-drive na siya, hindi to comfortable para sa kanya yung ganito kalaki kasi syempre beginner.
Ano pa man ni XV mo ni?
XV to? Hindi, Forester. Ay, oo, no, XV pala, no? XV din siya, no? Na ganitong kulay. Ito rin, XV, no? XV sila.
Marang kani, XV nga kagam. Kaya papagamay ang bintana.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi nga siya ganun kaliit, no? Kasi akala ko nga siya, Forester. So, okay din pala yung size niya. Yung 2022. Okay na. Ano yung gusto na kulay niyo mga bisa? Kasi same model tong tatlo. Ito yung white. Okay din to, Bib, no?
Yung dark gray.
No? Okay din tong dark gray, no? Okay din pala yung dark gray. And then, ito ayaw ko to. Very very common na very standard siya na kulay.
Kaya mo na siya Batman.
No? It's either this one or that one. Maganda din to. Actually, parang maganda to siya.
Pero mura lahi lagi siya wheels. Kasi mas kuan na siya.
No?
Year.
Sports siguro to. Sporty na. Kasi merong model na sport. Ay, iban, Bibo. Same lang. Pero okay na yun, ito na yung atin. Siyempre the best yung pag family kasi mga Bisdak, maganda din yung white, no, na sasakyan. So yun, hintay lang namin yung sa office mga Bisdak para magbayad kami, mag-sign ng documents at etc. So excited.
Service, the first one
Wow.
is
How-
1 month.
How to use this kind
After
of
this, every 12 months and 12,500 kilometers of service.
How to use this one? You show us later how to use
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Why there's no key?
So you can see here, lock,
Lock.
unlock the boot. Yeah. You
Okay.
can see this is unlock button.
Yeah, sa atin na daw ito mga kabista. Ba't parang ang ganda ng ang ganda ng manual siya, ito yung manual. Ang ganda ng bag mga kabista ko.
Na to siya gingon nga para ang sa to katong 25 kilometers na kukuan.
Kaya ko kaya mag-drive ng ganyan. So yun mga Bisdak, nagkapirmahan na mga Bisdak. Kakatapos lang namin mga 1 hour din, no? Yung kwentuhan, pirmahan, congratulations, yung mga ganun. So yung next mga Bisdak, bibigyan kami ng briefing. So yun yung sasakyan namin, no? So sabi ng yung salesperson yung sasakyan, tuturuan niya ako kung ano yung mga do's and don'ts yung kailangan gawin. Kasi syempre, di ba, daming mga buttons, electronics, lahat. Napaka high-tech na sasakyan, no? Sa kailangan nila akong turuan daw paano siya gamitin. I hope so, no, sa nangangarap din na magkaroon ng brand new na sasakyan dito na kakarating lang dito sa Australia is maabot niyo din yung pangarap niyo. Kasi kami 6 years in the making to mga kabisdak, no? 6 years na palagi lang kami nangangarap na kailan kaya kami sakay or magkakaroon ng ganitong brand new na sasakyan at ito na nga mga kabisdak dumating. Bakit yung reason pala mga kabisdak bakit itong sasakyan na to ganitong SUV kasi di ba meron na mga Forester, merong Outback, merong mas malaki. Kasi mga kabisdak maraming factor din na kailangan namin i-consider mga kabisdak na hindi naman kasi dahil gusto namin tong halimbawa gusto ko talaga na sasakyan yung pick up, pero kailangan ko namin i-consider yung current status namin dito. Yung ibig kong sabihin, yung daily activities, no? So mostly yung activity namin, grocery, kailangan ko i-pick up si Gian. So kailangan namin ng SUV pero dapat hindi ganun kalaki. So saktong-sakto to siya mga Bisdak. Tama lang yung size niya. Kasi siya ba, mas madali siyang i-maneuver, mas madali ko siyang i-drive, especially na napaka-traffic dito sa Sydney. And then si Ami din na beginner pa na driver na mag-aaral pa lang. So soon in 2 years time, siguro 1 to 2 years, pag confident na siya mag-drive nito, is at least hindi siya ganun ka bulky or kalaki na sasakyan. Kaya gustong-gusto namin tong size na ito yung nung nakita namin to, ito talaga yung din namin, no, na ito yung kukunin natin XV kasi sakto din kay Ami once mag-drive siya soon. Binigyan na sa amin yung susi. Yun nga, na-realize ko pwede pala siyang i-open. It's open! It's open! How is it?
Smells handy.
Smells what? What smells? Smells good? Smells brand new. Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at this. Yeah, it's still like plastic, like the brand new, because it's still brand new.
Nice, you like it?
Wow, grabe eh.
How
now.
Can you turn it off?
Now, when the door will close, it will turn off.
Napatabang babe sa car seat babe para ma-shortcut naman.
Oh no, sa car seat na.
I'm gonna
Car
relax
seat.
it.
Meron ta siyang ano mga kabisag, merong sunroof mga kabisag. You know, Gian, look at this, Gian. The roof will open. We can see the stars.
I'm gonna
See that one? Then,
let it open.
yeah. Parang natakot pa ako mag-drive mga kabisag. Oh, see?
I'm sleeping.
You're sleeping already. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, what's that? Wow, there's a scratch. Oh no! No, I think that's just like we can clean that one. Grabe no? I still don't know how to turn this on. Kailangan nating, we need to wait for the salesman. Sabi ito yung start engine pero natatakot ako i-press yan baka
Dumirit siya.
dumirit siya mudagan pa na diba? Patay.
Hey, this is the
We need
same
to wait.
car of Sandra.
Yeah, same with Sandri, right? Yeah, you and Sandri have the same car. Mama, you open the sunroof. You know how to open the sunroof? See, if we do camping and we sleep at the back, then we can see the stars. We can see planet Mars. Grabe mga kabisda, no? Ang daming button. Ano ito mga button dito? Hindi ko pa alam kung paano yung mga button dyan.
Kaya magpalit tag-charger nga ni babe. Na siya charger nga pataban no.
No, I think that's for the dashcam. What's the brand, Mama? Give me the manual, the other one, so that we will know what kind of brand they put. Smart Track 4K dashcam. Ito na daw. I'm not sure kung mas maganda to kaysa sa Black Blue. No.
Hindi tigil ni kay kanang mas compatible ba.
No? Right. Close when you close. Wow. Tunog bago mga kabisda.
Gamay ang yana normal lang.
Which one? The driving? No, that's normal. Same naman sa Mac. Yeah, that's the same size with the old one. Okay, turn it off. Alright.
Ay kagkuan babe pangkuan ani
Cover?
para di siya mahugaw ba.
I'm thinking kasi if we're gonna put a cover, maano yung original design niya, di ba?
Di pero kanang butang ilang baka kitay magkaon-kaon niya mahugaw din ba mawat nila mo.
Sige. Let's buy.
Kaya na
Are we done
ba
yet?
mahugaw.
After this, yeah. So everything is all sun. So after that, they can drive straight on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, with the sun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to have the key?
Also
Yeah,
take the
here's the
photo
key.
tank.
Does it come with a full tank gas?
You can take a gas, no problems.
A full tank
Already
gas.
in there.
Ah, that's good. Okay. What's the best gasoline station you can recommend for us? to use?
Honestly, with a car like this, you can run it on E10, you can run it on regular, you can run it on premium.
So no
No,
specific.
exactly.
Which station you think? Caltex, Mobile,
Caltech is good, BP is good, but all of them are good. Hold on, I'll just do my hair. So with an XP, what you find is they work with what's called a proximity key. Now, proximity key,
Yeah.
you can keep the key in your pocket.
Yeah.
The car will stay locked until you touch the inside of the handle.
Mm.
Then everything opens
Oh,
up.
wow. Okay.
Okay?
You see.
Now to lock it, just as easy, you close the door, push the little toggle,
Yeah.
and it all locks up. Little kind of image just here on the. Yeah. So to open it, you push the inside.
Yeah.
To lock it, you push this one and it locks it all up. Yeah.
Oh. Then lock it. Ah, wow.
Wow, there you go. So, I tell you what we'll do. We'll jump in, buddy.
Come here. All right.
So, come around. I'll show you some things. To start the car, you got to put your foot on the brake.
Okay.
Push the button to start.
Oh, there's no key, nothing.
There's no key, there's no
Oh,
nothing. If you
wow,
keep your key in the pocket, just push the button, stop it to start it.
Okay.
But if your foot's not on the brake, you'll push the button once,
Nothing.
you'll push the button twice, and it'll just show you the accessories.
Mm. Okay.
Now what we've done is we've set your lights up to be automatic headlights
Okay.
and rain sensing wipers.
Oh, it automatic the wiper. Wow.
Automatically does the wipers.
Okay.
Now, just so that you know,
Mm.
when the car is started, we have what's called adaptive cruise control. Now this system is amazing and it could potentially save your life.
Okay.
What you do is you've got to turn it on through this button just here.
When does I turn it on?
Hmm?
When does I turn it on? If I'm driving long drive.
Well, if the car is on, you can turn it on.
Okay.
Now what this does, firstly, hold on, give me 1 second. See how there's a little car here?
Yeah.
Now that little car has lines in front of it.
Yeah.
Every line indicates a car length.
Okay.
So if you want to go further away, you push this one here. If you want to come closer, you push this one here.
Okay.
Now how it works is, once you've pushed set, which is this one down,
Okay.
you can drive. The car in front has stopped.
Yeah.
As long as you don't put your foot on the brake, your car will automatically stop before you have big major accident.
Oh, wow.
With FM, pick a stereo, and then you can adjust the volume through the toggle here,
Yeah.
or adjust the volume through the toggle here. To change the station, you can simply jump through the stations, or you can jump through the stations through the steering wheel toggle.
One simple question. How did you turn it on? Ah, okay. There's a button.
Turns it off, turns it on. Come back into home,
Yeah.
we can then go into map.
Okay.
Now firstly, with the satellite navigation, you'll find that it's a touch screen, so it'll zoom in, zoom out with your fingers.
Yeah, that one.
It'll calculate the best possible route. You push go.
Yeah.
Now it'll show you on the map where to go. Is if, let's say, he had songs on his phone that he wanted to Bluetooth stream to the system, you push media and it will automatically stream them. If we put our foot on the brake and we put it into reverse, you've got your reverse camera and sensors. See how the green, yellow and red?
So nag-move lang mga bisda kasi lalabas yung isang isang bagong sasakyan na nagkabili. Oh, siyan, kami. Yan.
The sunroof, just as easy. It's all controllable through this little toggle just here. Where are we? Here. So that will slide it back. The next one, we'll slide it up a little bit.
Okay, put this one here. For now. See here, yeah?
Yeah.
Put it here.
Yeah.
But this one, you need to go through here.
Yeah.
Go
And
down here. Down here. Yeah.
then connect.
So you need to
here.
hook in there.
Yeah.
And your seat belt have to
At the same as the other.
put it
car.
in. Yeah. But you need to put it in tight. Still,
Yeah.
you still have to go to the place who install. They charge you $20 or $30, but you
Okay.
need them to check.
Okay, to
Because
make
we're
sure.
not allowed even put it on.
Yeah.
Hey, last one.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to disturb you.
problem.
Can you just show us one? He haven't shown us the back. What's in here?
Yeah, just the spare tires. Yeah,
The
your
spare
spare wheels and your jack is here.
Okay. There's
Yeah.
no special button that I need to.
No,
something.
just the spare wheels. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Here and the cargo blind. If you have something in the boot you don't want the people to see,
Yeah.
cover that's it. Yeah.
Alright.
Pull it, retrieve back here.
Okay.
This one you can put down.
Oh yeah. How to put it
That's
down?
it. Yeah.
Like,
If you lift up, locked, push this
sorry, if this one
See.
I want to put down the.
Yeah, just
the
here.
chair.
up, push down,
Oh,
and then
okay.
yeah, that's it. Yeah.
That's good. I
Yeah.
can, yeah.
And then to close
Come here,
this,
baby, come here.
just go down here, pull lock. Don't worry too much.
Mm.
You have 1 month's checkup. No problem. Thank you very much. Congratulations for the new car.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Two. You go inside the dome. You go inside first.
But how can we make this new car and like this new car?
Bisdak, kinakabahan na kami mga Bisdak. Lord, get us Lord. Yun, na-install ko na yung car seat mga Bisdak. Dito si Gian, no? Gian, how are you? How is it? All good?
Daddy doesn't know already.
Daddy's it. I know already. You need to trust Daddy. I'm the best driver of all time.
But there's stuff to do.
No, don't worry. I have it on video. Alright, come on. Let's go, guys. So this is it. This is it, guys. Woo!
I never have a video.
Yeah, Mama was taking video. Hi, this is it. My goodness. Oh no, wala ka pumunta na ba? We forgot to ask how to adjust. It's alright, we will learn.
Ano ba ito sa dito?
We will learn later. Ah, here bit.
Okay na ba naman na seat? Okay na ba?
Okay, okay. Do we close this one? How to turn it on first?
Oh, you close it, naka-open siya, babe. Oh,
Huh?
I-close na, oh.
How to, can you press? How to, we need to turn on the engine. Wait, put the phone here.
Ako na lang. Ayun, puta mo kalit ng bangga. Kaya ba kag-asang brake? Kasi hindi nakakamao asang brake.
Put the seatbelt first. Gian, help daddy.
Ay, you confused yun.
See, it's already on, babe. I already impressing the
Oh, i-close na, babe. Kaya naka-open, oh.
reminder. Lock in reverse seat. Lock in reverse seat. What's happening? Lock in reverse seat. Wait, ano?
Kasi, wala tarong isira.
It's already on, ha? Then this
Ayun,
one.
maka-lock in rear seat. Lock.
Wait, how to? No, it's closed.
Close na.
Yeah, it's closed. The sunroof.
Na, slide po.
Slide. No. No.
Naka-up na po siya.
It's not good. It's very close. Tingnan mag-uwan ba? Musod ang tubig.
There,
let's go.
bantay yung below.
Okay, let's go. Guys, let's go mga kabisdak.
How can you see like the one like when
Which one?
right up to?
It's in the map. It's not in the map.
Oh, don't distract daddy first, baby. Kaya ma-distract si daddy.
It's okay.
In the map?
Yeah. How was it, Gian?
Turn right.
Do you like the new car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Is it in the map?
Yeah. You see the red one?
After 300
Yeah.
meters, turn left. Then, after 50 meters, bear right.
Lami sa mag-drive kanang bag-uwi ba? How was kumusta na yung sa passenger seat? Okay lang?
Mixed emotions. Kay kubaan pa. Kubaan nga okay, pero mixed emotions
Kinakabahan pa kami mga kabisdak kasi yun nga no, first time namin maka-own ng brand new ba? Sasakyan. Dapat careful lang tayo na niyo. Kanang liko-liko ba no?
Oh yeah, this one.
Careful Jude, careful tayo. Banda na. Hindi ko magdali eh. Hindi na magdali dito.
Your first drive.
Yeah, your first drive with Gian and Mama.
And
Our first drive with our car.
Yay!
Yay!
is your first time, Daddy?
Yeah, it's our first time riding our car. I need to say thank you to Papa Jesus for giving us a car.
After 200 meters, turn left into Trade Street. Then,
Maganda tong
after
yan,
300 meters,
Daan siya.
turn left
Oh.
into Marylands Road.
I can't imagine baka kanito mas dako nga sakyanan pa. Yung parang bulky ba?
Turn left. Then, after
Lisod,
300
no?
meters,
Maybe
turn
you'll get used
left.
to it, but it's always better. Like this kind of
Labi
size.
na og ka na mo pa first time, no? Nga bag-o. At least makatry sa tag ka ng di kayo lisod i-adjust.
Grabe ako.
Kinahanglan siguro kag kuan, babe, oh. Kanang layo ba ang imong uno?
Oh.
Kay kanang murag masakit imong liog ani ba? What can you say, daddy?
Ay, kinakabahan. Konti na lang yung kaba, pero mixed emotion. And then,
Mapark ba ka ni?
oh no, hindi pa natin nalinis yung garage. Pero marami pa akong kailangan i-learn ba? Pati yung sa volume ng mga kabisdak, yung sa map, hindi pa namin alam paano i-adjust, how to adjust the volume of the map. What can you say, Gian? How about Gian? What can you say about our new car?
Awesome.
Awesome? Yeah. Look at this, like, okay ba? Sleep tayo
Mom,
siya.
is the camera on the other one?
Yeah.
No, I
Stay
mean the on
tuned.
top one. The one,
Huh?
like the one that
Yeah,
one.
it's on. It's on. It's on. As long as the car starts, it will on. And it
Yeah.
will start.
Yeah,
too.
when the car stops, the engine will automatically turn off. But when you go already, the engine will turn on. Like randomly for these stupid questions. No problem. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. It's normal daw. Oh, paano how to open? Where's the key? So andito na kami sa bahay mga kabisdak na at yun, kinabahan kami ni Ami. Kasi yun nga, mayroong smell ba? Parang burning smell nga,
Is that the
nasusunog
key
no?
you have?
Yeah. You hold the key, okay?
Karon gani.
It's normal daw. Hi mga Bisdak, so grabe mga Bisdak no? Kakatapos ko lang mga Bisdak maglinis dito sa garage at sa wakas na napasok ko na yung sasakyan dito sa sa mga Bisdak dito sa garage namin no. Yun. Diyan and then grabe. Hindi pa rin ako nakaka-get over mga kabisdak no sa na-feel ko ngayon, as in grabe talaga. Almost 1 AM kanina pa ako nakatitig dito. Umupo ako dito. Tinitigan ko lang yung sasakyan kasi hindi pa ako maka-get over mga kabisdak no, kasi syempre 6 years na pinagtiyagaan namin yung mga second hand na sasakyan, yung mumurahin, and then brand new. First time namin magkaroon ng brand new na sasakyan. Sa Pilipinas, hindi naman kami mayaman sa Pilipinas, wala kaming kotse, pero yun nga, finally, nagkaroon kami ng sasakyan mga bisak. So hanggang dito lang mga bisak, no, sobrang salamat uli no, sa pagsuporta sa amin sa YouTube channel namin kasi umabot na tayo ngayong araw, umabot na ng 9,000 subscribers. Grabe, ang dami nun. Dati hindi ko kalain na abot sa ganun no. 9,000 subscribers, kaya sobrang salamat mga bisak. Salamat. And then salamat at umabot kayo hanggang sa dulo ng video na to at sa walang sawa sa pagsuporta sa amin no. So yun nga, sobrang pagod ko ngayong araw kasi nilinisan ko yung garage and finally naipasok ko yung sasakyan dito sa garage. Meron pang gamit dyan sa likod mga kabisda, kaya itong sasakyan, itong bike, hindi ko siya maipasok na kasi baka magasgas yung sasakyan. Pero yung gamit sa likod, yung mga bed mattress at ibang bulky items, naka-schedule na yan na i-pick up ng council. Nakatawag na ako in 2 weeks time. So pag na-collect na yan, itong bike, ililipat ko na siya dyan sa likod ng sasakyan. So ngayon mga bisdak, hindi pa ako matutulog. Mag-suspend pa ako ng mga 1 to 2 hours. So mga 3 AM na siguro ako matutulog ngayon. Kailangan ko pang pag-aralan yung mga buttons dyan, yung mga functions no, kasi hindi ako familiar. So very electronic dependent na yung mga ganitong model ng sasakyan mga kabisdak. So yun, salamat uli and see you sa next vlog mga kabisdak. Bye bye.